Let's repeat again. Unicorn. I have unicorn. Unicorn, corn, unicorn. You sleep like gonna read your book. Where's my pillow? Pillow head. Pillow head. Yeah. Okay, I read the book chapter. I finished the ghost hunt lah. Whoosh, 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 whoosh. Wala, finish this one na Miley. Huh? Season. Volume 2 ba this one? Yes. Where can see the volume? Ah, okay. Tiktilaok! Tiktilaok. What? Chapter 7. Spooky School. I carried my ghost photo into school last night. Soon it was time for show and tell. Who would like to share first? I flew to the front of the class. I have something to show. What is that? It's a photo of ghost. I saw it again. It doesn't look like a ghost. It's a ghost. Listen, if Eva says that's a picture of a ghost, then that's what it is. She doesn't make things up. Thanks, Lucy. I showed the photo again, but the other owlets just laughed. I flew back to my seat. Miss Featherbottom asked everyone to quiet down. Then she put her wing around me. Your photo is blurry, Eva. That makes it hard to see what this is a picture of. I love that you have such an amazing imagination, though. That gives me an idea. Let's all tell our best scary stories. And whoever tells the scary story gets to ring Barry the bell. Everyone loves ringing Barry and the bell. So everyone wanted to tell a scary story. George told a story about zombie squirrels. Massey told one about giant spiders. And Lily was halfway through telling a story about fire-breathing dragons. There was a loud noise on the roof. We all went quiet. Our brakes were wide open. Our wings were shaking. Even our teacher looked scared. Bum! There it was again. Something big was up the roof. No more spooky stories. Stay here, Owlets. I find out what's making that noise. I rushed to the window and opened it. I stuck my beak out to try to look up at the roof. Everyone crowded around. Eva, close the window. I know what I'm doing. Look! We saw tall ghostly white beasts shooting high above us. Eva, you weren't telling the truth. We're telling the truth. You were telling the truth. There are two ghosts. All it's all blurry. They are moving so fast. Everyone started saying they were sorry. Then Lucy tugged on Wing. Eva, I'm sorry. I didn't believe you the whole time. That's okay. I probably wouldn't have believed me either. I'm so happy Lucy believes me again. Miss Featherbottom came back. She said there was nothing to worry about. We all looked at one another, but nobody said anything. Would she believe us if we told her we saw ghosts? Is that a ghost? Look like not a ghost. Chapter 8. The Ghost Group. Yesterday we all went on treetop. All elementary ghost hunt. we took our ghost hunting kit to the old oak tree. Messi and Zach brought a hog ghost catching net. George and Lily brought a big water balloon, throwing slingshots. Zara and Carlos brought binoculars for looking far away. Jacob and Sue brought a blanket for us all to hide under. And Lucy and I brought Ghost Hunter costume for everyone. We were ready. Carlos and Zara flew to the top of the tree. The rest of us waited under the blanket. Suddenly Zara saw something. Quickly, one of the ghosts is coming this way. George loaded the slingshot. Lily, pull it back. Attack! The hog-white ghost was fast as spot. Lily and George missed. The beast flew toward us again. Whoosh! Mossy and Zack threw the net. It landed right on top of the ghost. We got it. Everyone else was still hiding under the blanket, so I was the only one who finally got a good look at the ghost, but it was too late. Diary, it was so hauntingly horrible. I flew toward the net. What's Eva doing? I don't know, but I'm going near the ghost. Quick, everyone, come help me. The other owlets were too scared to come out from under the blanket. They're such scary owls, but Lucy flew over. She helped me untangle the net. The ghost was not a ghost at all. It was an owl. What did you do that for? I'm sorry. We thought you were a ghost. A ghost? I'm not a ghost. I'm a snowy owl. Then four more white owls swooped down from the trees. They landed next to Lucy and me. Dad, they thought we were ghosts. The big white snowy owl started to laugh. He laughed so hard he was holding his belly. Our family is moving to Tritopolis. We've been flying around to check on our new tree house and to get to know our new town. But why did one you chase me the other day? That was me. I was trying to warn you that a storm was coming. Oh, thank you. And why did you bang on the school roof? That was me. I cannot fly very well. Yet I flew into the roof, then that came down to get me. Our classmate had question for the snowy owls too. Oh, ooh. And were you flying really high? And were Yes, I got lost. I was flying up high to look for my new tree house. And were you making loud hooting noise? Yep, that was us too in our old town. Everyone had a deep hoot. That's just how we speak. By the way, I'm Eva. This is my best friend Lucy. It's lovely to meet you. I'm Kara. Hi. Our classmates all met Kara. Hello, glad you're not a ghost. Then Kara's family and the other owlets flew off. This was the best ghost hunt ever. We're sorry about what happened, and I'm really sorry I thought you were a ghost. Just then I had the best idea ever. I whispered it to Lucy. Lucy, step forward. Kara, Eva, and I are having a sleepover tomorrow. Would you like to come too? I love to. Now I needed to go get ready for our big sleepover. Lucy, Kara, and I are going to have the best sleepover ever. So diary, I thought I found a ghost, but really I found something much better, a new friend. The end. Good night, sleep love. Good night. Good night. Good night. Good night.